Hi, I'm Justina from YouTube, and you're watching my channel. I'm only going to say this once, so listen close. Do everything as I say. And I swear, if you make one sound, if you make one wrong move, I will throw you across the room. Do you understand me? I will get rid of you. For good. Okay? You're not going to drag me down. You're not slowing me down. You're either with me, or you're getting left behind. Do you hear me? If you can't do everything as I say, exactly as I say, you're getting left behind. Okay. Since you're in with me, let's go. Okay. I'm trusting you to lead the way, alright? So let's do this. Move quickly, move quietly. We only have one chance. Don't screw it up. Let's do this quick. Oh, jeez. Wrong way. Oh my god. That's fine. One thing. Let's see, come on. Cat. 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 Cat, where are you? Oh shoot. Cat. 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 Cat, where are you? I swear, Cat, if you don't hurry up and get your butt back over here, I'm leaving you behind. Don't listen to the noises, Cat. They're lying to you. I promise I'll feed you next time. Okay, Cat? Come on, we can make a compromise. Cat. We can compromise here, Cat. Come on. Cat. Cat, stop playing games now. Stop playing games, Cat. We're just gonna drive to the grocery store and have a post-apocalyptic world. Seems reasonable. Alright, so it's just as long as we don't look at anything, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's okay, it's a little bumpy. Just some speed bumps, you know? No big deal. No big deal. You know, I don't even know where the grocery store is at from here. Seems reasonable enough. Just wait until I hit something, you know? It seems like a good idea. Oh, okay. You know, it's just a speed bump, not a dead body or anything else. Okay, it's fine. I think we're almost there. I think we made it. I think it's fine. We just have to figure out how to get inside the store. No, it's great. We're fine. Okay, Kat. So now all we have to do is just kind of roll down this river here, and hopefully someone will find us. But I think we'll be okay, just as long as you just shut up. And we probably should take this bell off of you, honestly, because you're gonna give us away with the bell. If you jump out into the water, I will leave you there. I already explained this to you. So you just need to sit down and relax. Okay? Let the river take its course. And we'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay? Okay. You know, I wonder what would happen if I did just kind of look outside. You know, it's been so long. I don't even know what the outside looks like. I think it should be fine now, right?